You ever wonder if a pair of headphones at $299 can actually be worth the price? Especially when they offer 100 hours of battery life, smart noise cancellation, and even let you replace the battery yourself? Today, we're doing a full breakdown of the Cambridge Audio Melomania P100 SE and answering the question everyone's asking. Is it good? Is it worth it? If you love honest reviews with real details, hit that like button. It helps the channel grow so much. And if you want to check out the product in action, the link is in the description with current pricing, real customer reviews, and where to buy with warranty. First, the design. It's over-ear, sleek, all white with premium finish. The ear cushions are luxuriously soft, built for comfort during long listening sessions. And look at this, there is an orange status LED on the back, not just stylish, but functional. It shows when it's on, connected, or charging. The weight is perfectly balanced, not heavy, not flimsy, and the best part? It folds securely with a solid hinge system, perfect for slipping into your bag. But what really matters? Sound. And here, the Melomania P100 SE delivers something rare. High-res audio over Bluetooth. It uses Dynamic Hue, dynamic adaptive equalization, that automatically tunes the sound based on your environment. On a noisy train, it adjusts the lows and highs for crystal clear clarity. With aptX Lossless, you get music in 24-bit 96K Hz, near perfect quality. In Class AB amplification, it gives you richer, more detailed sound closer to the original than 99% of headphones out there. If you're serious about audio quality, this is one of the few wireless models that truly brings hi-fi to your ears without cables. Now, here's the moment that blew me away. 100 hours of battery life on a single charge. And if you forget to charge it, just 5 minutes of power gives you up to 4 hours of playback. That's like a superpower. But what makes this headphone truly special? The user-replaceable battery. While 99% of headphones become trash after 2 years, this one can last for years. Just swap the battery. Sustainability with purpose. It also supports multi-point connectivity. Connect to 2 devices at once. Switch from phone to laptop? No hassle. And if you game or watch series, there's a low-latency gaming mode. Perfect for syncing audio and video. The noise cancellation is adaptive. It doesn't just turn on and forget, it listens to your environment. On the subway, blocks the noise. At home, lets in important sounds like alarms. And wear detect? When you take it off, playback pauses. Put it back on, it resumes. Small feature, big convenience. So, back to the big question. Is it good? Is it worth it? Yes, it's good. And yes, it's worth the $299. This isn't just another pair of headphones. It's a high-end audio experience with cutting-edge tech, real durability, and a design that blends elegance with function. If you're looking for a pair that delivers true high-fidelity sound, lasts days on a charge, can be maintained for years, and it does it sustainably, then the Melomania P100 SE might just be one of the best choices on the market right now. If you enjoy honest, no-fluff reviews like this, subscribe to the channel. We'll keep bringing you real insights on gear that actually matters. And if you want to see the product in action, the link is in the description, with live pricing, verified reviews, and where to buy with confidence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.